to the hill neighborhood? Oh yeah. Oh, your spot. Oh yeah. Hey. The speed limit is 30 miles an hour here, so people, let's not speed at all. I wouldn't want to get pulled over by those old boys.
Take a left in here.
Left.
Good job.
Well, I just want to make sure that I'm driving in Sekou standards.
Sir, here you go, sir.
Because
Right.
Sekou doesn't like the way I drive. He says that I drive very hot. Slow to 10 miles an hour.
This nigga's an asshole, like.
This way?
Take a left.
Huh?
Car beside that green car. What are y'all
This way?
doing? What are y'all doing for a little bit?
Heading out to Porto.
In the apartment.
You going back to Portsmouth right now?
Yeah.
Because the bitches.
What
It's his bitch. His?
My bitch.
All right.